Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe, like, share, and for returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to tie this gele. I do hope you love this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, share, like. I really love it when you guys do that. So I'll be tying this gele for myself, and then the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele so that it doesn't come out rough when I place it on my head. And then I made 4 pleats. No, I think I made about 5 pleats before placing the gele on my head. So after placing the gele, all you have to do next to make sure that you trace your gele down towards your neck area. It's very important that you do that so that you do not lose your pleats. So the rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So I'm just going to twist my gele very well. I'm going to twist it, and then I'm going to take it to the other side of my face, which is the right hand side of my face, and I'm going to pin it. And I'll be pinning my gele 2 times today. I'm just going to pin it 2 times so that it doesn't unravel. I just want to make sure that my gele is secured and is safe on my head so that when I'm dancing, it doesn't just fall off. And I'm also holding the 20 part of my gele right now. I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the first hand, which was the 80 part of my gele. I'm going to hold the 20, twist it, and take it to the other side of my face, which is the left hand side of my face. And I'm just going to place it on top the 80 part of my gele. I'm placing it on top the 80 part of my gele so that it holds it and it does not unravel. In the process where I want to dance or anything at all, it doesn't just unravel, it doesn't fall off. I'm calling 80-20. I do hope that you guys get used to my terms. But if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that, because you're really going to get used to my terms of the process of tying gele. It's very important. So right now I'm holding the 80 part of my gele. This is the reason why this part of your gele has to be longer than the other hand of your gele. I mean, this hand of your gele has to be longer than the other hand of your gele, because you're just going to make a style in front of your head. This most definitely is the beauty of the gele. You just really have to take your time in doing it so that your gele comes out really nice and beautiful. And I believe if you just follow the simple steps I showed you guys, it's going to really come out nice and beautiful. Like I said before, now it's very important that you always pin your gele in the areas where you know that will not be secured. You just have to pin so that it doesn't unravel. This is very, very important, and that is why you see me pinning and pinning. of this gele tutorial is just me arranging my gele so that it's comfortable on my head and so that it's nice. I'm just going to make sure that it's well done so that it doesn't fall when I want to dance or just when I want to bend, anything at all. I do hope that this gele tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like, share. I really love it when you guys do that. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that because it's really going to help you to know how to. And guys, please turn on your notification button so that when I post, you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much and I can't just wait to see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye bye.